Jaime Montejo in ISE 2020. I'm here for Newline Interactive. I want to introduce you to our new range, MIRA. MIRA is our infrared pickup, infrared optical bonding solution. What you can see here is the most accurate and better solution for the corporate market right now. The infrared will give you the feeling and the test of a good writing experience among the optical bonding, plus a full microphone array with a pickup of 8 meters long, plus the camera integrated itself. Also the typical tools that we always use as whiteboarding, source connection, any file commander you want to use, and also the Windows solution, so you can go straight to the OPS just within a second. Any tool you already have for collaboration, you can use it straight, or you can be helped by the tools and go and use them. You can also install applications on it, and so it's the best for any room where you want to do video conferencing or just brainstorming or any of the collaboration. If you want to know anything else about it, please go in newlineinteractive.com and please visit us.